Intro, what should you do after a period of no contact? You stayed disciplined, kept your distance, and allowed her to feel what life is like without you. Now comes the most important phase. If you handle this wrong, everything you built can collapse. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps to get her thinking about you again, spark that attraction, and position yourself as the kind of man she can't ignore. Stay with me, because this could completely shift how things play out. Section 1, why no contact is only the beginning. No contact isn't the end goal, it's just the starting point. Think of it like resetting the board. By stepping away, you created space for her to reflect on your absence. But here's the truth. What you do next decides everything. A lot of guys think silence alone does the job. It doesn't. It's just a tool. Without the right follow-up, its effect fades quickly. During this phase, she likely went through mixed emotions. At first, she may have felt in control, but as time passed, uncertainty probably crept in. She starts wondering if you're really gone, and that's when she begins thinking about you more. But if you return in a needy or emotional way, you undo all that progress instantly. Your next move either strengthens your value or destroys it. No contact plants the seed. Your actions afterward determine whether it grows or dies. Section 2. Watch her actions carefully. Right after no contact, her behavior tells you everything, if you're paying attention. Does she text randomly? Interact with your posts? Drop subtle hints online? These are signals, but don't rush to conclusions. For example, if she sends a simple, "Hey," it's not random, it's a test. She's checking if you'll jump at the chance or stay composed. Patience is your advantage here. When you don't react instantly, you show control. High-value men don't chase. They observe first. Even silence from her has meaning. Sometimes she's waiting to see if you'll break first. Don't panic. Stay focused on yourself. Section 3. Reignite the attraction. Once communication opens again, your goal is simple. Bring back the spark naturally. No grand gestures. No emotional paragraphs. Keep it light. If she messages you, reply in a calm, relaxed way. Something like, "Hey, yeah, it's been a while. I've been good." Simple, confident, and controlled. Avoid heavy conversations or bringing up the past too soon. Instead, show her you've changed. Maybe you've improved your lifestyle, picked up something new, or made progress in your goals. Let that growth show subtly. That's what rebuilds attraction. Section 4. Create curiosity. Curiosity is powerful, and you want her to feel it. Don't reveal everything about your life. Be selective. Post things that show you're living well, travel, hobbies, progress, but don't overdo it. If it looks forced, it loses impact. In conversations, do the same. Give just enough detail to keep her interested, but leave gaps. For example, if she asks what you've been doing, say, "Been busy with a few things lately. I'll tell you about it sometime." Now she's curious. She wants to know more. Section 5. Stay emotionally balanced. This is where many guys mess up. They get excited when she comes back and suddenly become too available. That kills the progress. Stay steady. Whether she's warm or distant, your energy should remain the same. Don't let her mood control your behavior. That consistency shows strength and confidence. Also, set boundaries. If she brings up old issues or tries to test you, stay calm and composed. Don't react emotionally. Respond with control. Section 6. Let her earn her place. No contact shifted the dynamic. Now don't ruin it by putting her back on a pedestal. This time, she needs to show effort. If she wants to meet, don't immediately say yes. Let her wait a bit. Show that your time matters. Watch her actions. Is she trying to rebuild things? Is she investing in you? If not, pull back again. You've already proven you can walk away, and that's your power. Section 7. Become irreplaceable. The time apart wasn't just about distance. It was about growth. Now it's time to show it. Focus on your purpose, your goals, your lifestyle. Women are naturally drawn to men who are driven and independent. You don't need to brag. Just let it show through your actions and conversations. When she sees the upgraded version of you, it creates a powerful realization. You're not easy to replace. Section 8. Control your emotions. Reconnecting can bring strong feelings, but don't let them take over. If she texts you, don't rush to reply instantly. Think before responding, stay calm, even if she's emotional or testing you. Control isn't about being cold, it's about being composed. That emotional stability makes you stand out and sets the tone for everything moving forward. Section 9. Give her a future to step into. This isn't about going back to how things were, it's about building something better.